Hey guys, just wanted to go through with you today some blush placement. So we're going to be using the Velvet Concepts Power Blush because it is my absolute favourite colour. And to start off with, this is a Makeup Weapons 1.2. And to start off with, we're just going to be doing the traditional blush placement, which is just, you know, on the apples of your cheeks and a little bit up from there. So as you can see, that looks really nice. It's a beautiful colour, and what I've done here is I've just grabbed my foundation brush that I was using, which was a 1.4 Makeup Weapons brush, and just softened that colour down a little bit so it's not too intense. Next up, we are going to place the blush just a little bit higher, so it's going to be just underneath your eye. So it's going to be like right on the top of your cheekbone. And you'll see when I pull that, like when I take the brush away, it will be like a little facelift almost, like it just makes your face look a bit lifted, and you can see the difference there. The left side of my face looks so lifted compared to the right side of my face. Another little trick that I always like to do with my blush is just kind of blend it in onto my eyelid to create like a monochromatic kind of blend. Not everybody likes to do that, but I tend to nearly always do that when I'm doing my own makeup, just because I like to look monochromatic, I guess. Anyway, there you have it, blush placement.